Orangutan means man of the forest in Indonesian. They are also waiting for their land to be given back to them. Before the fields of palm oil trees were planted, they lived in the forest. Today, this primate has no place to sleep or find food. So they wander through the palm tree plantations and the fields. They can no longer hide away. They have become targets for the poachers. There are NGOs trying to limit the massacre. Here, in this orangutan care centre, 320 primates have escaped a tragic end. They are no longer free or wild, but at least they are alive.
Ça ressemble vraiment à une main d'un homme. D'une femme, c'est l'impression qu'ils me touchent aussi, ils me sentent. Je sais pas s'ils arrivent à sentir que j'essaie de les aider à protéger leur forêt.
Birute Galdikas has managed this centre for 36 years. She is the world's leading orangutan specialist.
80% of orangutan habitat has already been destroyed. I would say that well over 50% of wild orangutans have been killed.
The parents are killed. These babies have been torn from the hands of the poachers. They were destined for international trafficking. Orphaned, they often scream from fear and call out for their mothers. In Birute Galdikas' centre, everything starts in the nursery. These women are more than simply care assistants. They are substitute mothers.
Babies, they need love. They need someone to take care of.
On a bit of protected land, they are taught the gestures that their parents would have passed on to them. It takes 12 years for an orangutan to become an adult.
If we lose them, we lose one of our closest living relatives. What we prefer to do is to save the tropical rainforest that is here now and protect it forever.
In the meantime, the orangutan forest has been razed. Millions of 100-year-old trees, replaced by palm oil, will be made into wooden flooring, furniture, paper, and even toilet paper. Their main destination? China. France too. France is the biggest European importer of exotic wood. Indonesia has already lost 70% of its primary forest. 2 million hectares of forest disappear every year, as you can see from this satellite picture of Borneo. And all this is to accelerate exponentially. Because palm oil is also to be used as an agro-fuel to drive our cars. From today, the multinationals in partnership with French banks want to multiply the palm oil plantations to make agro-fuel. An unbearable pressure for our planet.
Si vous voulez visualiser, un palmier à huile, c'est un Français. Pour couvrir nos besoins alimentaires, pour fabriquer ces shampoings, les détergents, les savons qu'on utilise tous les jours, il faut à peu près un palmier à huile. Mais demain, ce sera peut-être 20 palmiers à huile, parce que l'Union européenne a pris la décision de développer les biocarburants. Et là, ça devient simplement impossible en termes d'impact, d'empreinte écologique. C'est pas possible que cette terre elle soit entièrement couverte de palmiers à huile pour faire rouler nos voitures ou nos avions. C'est impossible.
However, the manufacture of biofuels has been launched. The farmers devote less and less land to food production to the advantage of agrofuels, which has another consequence on a worldwide scale. The price of cereals has rocketed. Wheat prices have doubled in 5 months. How can we go on like this, contemptuous of people, animals, and the environment?